Promise content here, y'all, aka Jimmy J, aka J Legend, aka the best in the business. I'm here talking about the Eagles just spanking the Dallas Cowboys to clinch the division, and it wasn't even close. The game started out with C.J. Garner with a pick six. He took it to the house, and then Dallas came back with a touchdown on offense that tied up, and then from there and out, the Eagles took over the game with Kenny Pickett throwing a passing touchdown. I think it was to Devontae Smith, and then he threw another one to A.J. Brown, and it was over. It was over for them. The Eagles took over the game. We ended up blowing them out 41-7. It was crazy. The game wasn't even close. The game wasn't even close. But it was good. It was good to see. Yeah, the Eagles, they clinched the division. Now we going to the Giants. Saquon had also 2,000 rushing yards. But yeah, it was crazy. But yeah, the Eagles they handle business. Yeah, you seen that the whole team rally behind Kenny Pickett. They was able to close. Kenny Pickett had a solid game. He played pretty solid. We need him to duplicate that against the Giants. Have another solid game. That's all he need to be, is solid and efficient. And we'll win another game. We just need him to close this game out the Giants, and then Saquon gets 100 yards. We good. And then Jalen Hurts can come back, take us back to the Super Bowl, and we can win this thing. We can win this game, and but we looking to blow out the Giants too. Giants is a terrible football team. We don't care about them beating the Colts. The Colts is not that good anyway. But but beating the Giants is gonna be something special. It's gonna be definitely something special. But we just had to break it all down. Like, and to get back on the defense, played good. Like I said, CJ Garner stepped up, started the game out with his pick six interception. You had Jeremiah Trotter forced a fumble. You had a lot of players forced a fumble. Aaron Burks forced a fumble. Yeah, Josh Sweat forced a fumble. You had a lot of players on defense forced fumbles, and they played good. They bounced back from the Washington game. They came back in here with vengeance, stepped up, rallied behind Kenny Pickett, won this game, blew them out, forced like about 5 turnovers, and took over this game. And you had Saquon, he had like 140 yards rushing again this game. He only need 100 yards to be the all-time leader in the single season rushing. But the Eagles handled business. They did what they were supposed to do. And we ran the ball so much. Saquon had 31 rushing attempts where we just beat them into submission, and it was over. But we was able to. But we was able to do what we do. We had Jerry Jones looking embarrassed like usual. But Eagles did their thing. They handled business. They did what they were supposed to do. But Crime Prince content signing out. Don't forget to click and subscribe to the channel. Peace.